Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of protein-rich foods. We'll be counting down the top 10 protein powerhouses, exploring why protein is crucial for your body, and breaking down how much you actually need. Let's get started. Before we jump into our list, let's talk about why protein is so important. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, supporting immune function, maintaining fluid balance, providing energy when carbohydrates are low. Let's discuss about daily protein requirement of human body. The average adult needs about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For a 68-kilogram person, that's about 54 grams of protein per day. However, athletes, pregnant women, and older adults may need more. Now, let's dive deeper into each of our top 10 protein-rich foods. 1. Soybeans, 36-gram protein per 100 gram. Soybeans are the highest plant-based protein source on our list. They're also rich in fiber, iron, and calcium. Soy products like tofu, tempeh, and edamame are all derived from soybeans. Edamame can be steamed and eaten as a snack. Tofu can be stir-fried, grilled, or used in smoothies. Tempeh can be marinated and grilled for a meat-like texture. Try adding firm tofu to your next stir-fry as a high-protein alternative to meat. 2. Almonds, 21-gram protein per 100 gram. Almonds are not only high in protein, but also rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. They're great for heart health and may help with weight management. Almonds can be eaten raw, roasted, or as almond butter. They make a great snack on their own, or can be added to salads, oatmeal, or baked goods for extra crunch and nutrition. Keep a small bag of almonds with you for a quick, protein-rich snack on the go. 3. Cottage cheese, 11-gram protein per 100 gram. Cottage cheese is low in calories but high in protein, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. It's also rich in calcium and phosphorus. Cottage cheese can be eaten on its own, used as a dip, added to salads, or even incorporated into baked goods for a protein boost. Mix cottage cheese with fresh fruit for a quick, high-protein breakfast or snack. 4. Greek yogurt, 10-gram protein per 100 gram. Greek yogurt is strained to remove more whey, resulting in a thicker consistency and higher protein content than regular yogurt. It's also an excellent source of calcium and probiotics. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed on its own, used as a base for dips, or added to smoothies for a protein boost. It's also a great substitute for sour cream in many recipes. Top Greek yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious breakfast or snack. 5. Lentils, 9-gram protein per 100 gram. Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're not just high in protein, but also rich in fiber, iron, and folate. There are many varieties of lentils: red, green, brown, and black, each with a slightly different flavor profile. Lentils are incredibly versatile. You can use them in soups, salads, or as a meat substitute in dishes like veggie burgers or meatballs. They cook quickly, usually in about 20 to 30 minutes, making them perfect for busy weeknight meals. Try a lentil soup or a lentil-based curry for a protein-packed, comforting meal. 6. Eggs, 13-gram protein per 100 gram. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, offering high-quality protein along with vitamins A, D, E, and B12, as well as minerals like selenium and zinc. Eggs can be boiled, fried, scrambled, or used in baking. They're incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into meals at any time of day. Hard-boiled eggs make for an excellent portable, high-protein snack. 7. Chicken breast, 31-gram protein per 100 gram. Chicken breast is a lean protein source that's low in fat and calories. It's also rich in niacin and selenium. Chicken breast can be grilled, baked, sautéed, or poached. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in salads, sandwiches, stir-fries, and countless other dishes. Marinate chicken breast in herbs and lemon juice before grilling for a flavorful, protein-packed meal. 8. Tuna, 30-gram protein per 100 gram. Tuna is not only high in protein, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart and brain health. It's also a good source of vitamin D and selenium. Canned tuna can be used in salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes. Fresh tuna can be grilled, baked, or eaten raw as sashimi, if sushi grade. Make a quick tuna salad with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for an extra protein boost. 9. Beef, 26-gram protein per 100 gram. Beef is rich in high-quality protein and is an excellent source of iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. However, it's important to choose lean cuts and consume in moderation due to its saturated fat content. Beef can be grilled, roasted, or used in stews and stir-fries. Lean cuts like sirloin or flank steak are best for everyday consumption. Use beef in a vegetable-rich stir-fry for a balanced, high-protein meal. 10. Whey protein, 80-gram protein per 100 gram. While not a whole food, whey protein is the most concentrated protein source on our list. It's quickly absorbed by the body, making it popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Whey protein is typically consumed as a powder mixed with water or milk. It can also be added to smoothies or used in baking. A post-workout shake made with whey protein, banana, and milk can help with muscle recovery and growth. Not all proteins are created equal. Animal proteins are generally considered complete proteins, containing all essential amino acids. Plant proteins, except for soy, are often incomplete. That's why it's important for vegetarians and vegans to eat a variety of protein sources. Spreading your protein intake throughout the day is more beneficial than consuming it all at once. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. While protein is crucial, too much can lead to issues like kidney strain, dehydration, and calcium loss. Always consult with a healthcare professional about your specific needs. There you have it, our top 10 protein-rich foods and everything you need to know about protein. Remember, a balanced diet is key. Incorporate a variety of these foods into your meals to meet your protein needs and support overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Drop a comment below with your favorite high-protein food. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy.